Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay off your Afterpay balance early. Now, to pay off your balance early, all you got to do is open the Afterpay app or go to the website on your mobile device or computer, and then just log into your Afterpay account using your email address and your password, and just tap or click on balance to view your current balance, and then select the payment option to pay off your balance early. Now just enter the payment amount that you want to pay, which can be the full balance or a partial payment, and then once you're done with that, just review and confirm the payment details to complete the transaction. Now, Afterpay's early payment policy, Afterpay does not charge penalties for early payments, and interest charges may still apply to your balance if you don't pay off the full amount early. And yeah, that's pretty much all you guys need to know about how to pay off your Afterpay balance early. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.